Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim, your favorite yachty girl. Yes, I decided to keep yachty girl because I don't know, I feel like I've grown into it, y'all, and a lot of people seem like they like it, so I'm gonna just keep it, you know. Anyways, so it is a warm ass day outside. It's really nice. Deontay is already at work, so it's just me and the girls here editing, but it's just too nice to waste the day. So I'm like, okay, why not go sit out by the pool? Cause listen, my apartment complex officially opened the pool back up, and I am so excited because listen, I'm an outside person. I love being out and about and doing things, and I mean, I pay all this money for all the privileges of living in this expensive ass freaking complex, and I've been waiting on pool days, and nowhere else seems to be having the pools open. Hey girl, come out and stop touching my stuff. Dana just come in here all the time and take out my makeup brushes and throw them on the ground. Stop. Watch her. What I said, hey girl, come. Leave it. Wow, let's go. Oh, I need to get a bathing suit for Dana.
Oh, the baby.
Hold on. No, we don't have any for Dana. Oh yeah, well, it is. Oh, look at you. Big sis already picked out her sister's bathing suit. So cute. Anyways, y'all, I had got this bathing suit last year when I was pregnant, and listen, when I tell you this shit had looked crazy because my titties were so big. I was trying to have like a little side boob situation going on, but my titties was like literally hanging out. This was like this on my nipple, like it was crazy. So I couldn't wear it. This is my first time wearing it, and I really like it. I think it's cute. I like the back because it's got like this deep cut. And I got mad stretch marks since the kids, so I always wear one pieces for the most part. But yeah, this is my fit. I don't think I'll be going in the water just because I still really feel like the water is going to be cold. But I'm going to bring towels and stuff just in case I change my mind because I'm not coming back to the house. Or in case the Crystal wants to get in. So. That's why she ready? Yeah. One. Should be the boy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40
seconds. Wow.
That's good.
I can hold it longer, but I need to take a big enough breath.
Now we're calling for Chrissy. Go, Chrissy.
Okay. Go, Chrissy.
1, 2,
Should I make
3,
it past
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. You need 10 seconds.
Let's try again.
No, you have to wait a little bit. You're not gonna do a lot. You're gonna go again. You were just smiling before. Don't play like that. Don't play like that. I'm gonna be like a grandma. Oh, you little girl. Oh, you little girl. Oh. You know that goggles is falling off your eye?
Kim. You're my sister, but that doesn't mean I will not go hard. You're my sister, and that doesn't mean you don't play guitar. Kim. You're my sister, and that means you're so.
Why are you still recording yourself? You're so
At
annoying.
least you got to tell you what it.
So now we tied.
You gotta break it. Hey, be slow.
Watch them get one.
What is it, regular again? Oh my god. Shake it again.
No.
Wow.
I rolled it.
Where the deck at?
I just know what to do.
Where the deck at?
Mama, turn over the
Sarah,
time.
you
Where's
get
the
the
deck?
deck?
Stop deck hogging.
No, come here for the puck up the seats
Sarah,
and bring it
just
back.
do it.
Come on. All right. You buy it at the theater.
Popcorn.
Yep.
I
What's that on the wall?
Paint.
I can't say wall.
Ooh. Good.
What you say, can't say wall?
What is
Don't listen to me.
Ooh, what Asians use to eat?
Chopsticks.
Okay.
Ooh, there's a. Dang.
You couldn't say that.
What's this?
Cup.
No, what's like
Beverage.
this?
Cup. Ring.
I think I know.
Ring of a cup. Oh.
No.
Orange.
Circles.
Exactly.
I know I love you too. I love my family. I love my family. Maybe Christianity. I love my family. I love my family. Maybe Christianity. I love my family. I love my family. I love my family.
What's up, y'all? So, oh no, I feel like this is zoomed in. Yeah. There we go. Good morning, y'all. Y'all, when I said then I had a blowout, I mean a blowout. Let me show y'all what I'm dealing with. First of all, I had to give her a whole bath because it just was gross. And look. Okay. Y'all look. Poop. Poop, 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 poop. Poop. A bunch of poop. Poop, 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 poop. Yeah. Put her down in here so I could go to the bathroom for a second. Came back to all of this. So now I'm about to spray that down, clean it off properly. Put it outside so it can dry and all that good stuff. She is showered, so she's clean. But, whew, Jesus, y'all think twice before you have these babies, y'all. Because if you're, like, squirmish or if you're, like, grossed out by bodily fluids and all that kind of stuff, babies is not for you. Because, listen, I have my hands in poop every day. Like, every single day. But anyways, about to get this day started. I gotta clean up. I'm a bit hungry, so I'm gonna make something to eat. What's up, guys? Yo, oh my god. So I got this appointment to go get my lashes refilled, and I'm super excited because I mean they're still cute and whatever, but I can definitely tell that I need a fill. The girl, she's not from Fort Wayne. I'm just taking a quick little whole bath. It's just that when I get back, I have to wash my hair and shave my legs, so I don't feel like taking a bath twice in like the space of a few hours. So I'm gonna just freshen up a little bit and then take a bath when I get home. But anyways, Deontay's at work and he says he's on his way back though, but I'm gonna be late, y'all, and I feel like I was late the last time too, and I really hate being that person that's like always late, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it's so rude. I hate when people feel like I'm just that person that's just always late. So I always try to be on time, you know, if I got something set up, especially because I, you know, offer services too. If I got somebody set up and I say, hey, like, come be by me at like 2 o'clock so I can get your makeup done. You don't know if I got somebody else set up right after you or whatnot, so I mean, I wouldn't want you to just be late. You know, not put in any type of effort to like care about my time or whatever. And she's really sweet. She don't charge like a late fee or anything like that, which I don't either, but still, you know, I do feel really bad. Ugh, I feel so bad. I'm annoyed with myself. So I think I am gonna go ahead and just cut this shirt that I had got at Walmart. I'm gonna, like, you know, make the necks a little cute, probably cut the sleeves off, and probably like chop it right here so it's a little bit shorter. But I'm so excited. Just pulled up. Hey.
I'm being a weirdo, man.
Looking fine. Hi, you're late.
I'm like, wait. Where you going?
To get my lashes
I
done.
gotta sit down. I gotta go
Give me a
somewhere.
kiss.
No.
Give me a kiss.
No.
She's so annoying. You seen that story?
Not yet.
Yeah,
She
you
told me
were
you were
so
finna talk about.
cute.
Anyway, man. I ain't gonna lie today. I was about to have it out with homie, man.
Why? Y'all remember Amanda? Did you see the vlog? Did you see the vlog with yourself in it?
No,
I uploaded it.
I watched it a couple of years though, and I think I subscribed.
Turn it backwards. Just push that apron over. Channel. You're on the vlog channel.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Isn't she adorable, y'all? No.
I was like,
Oh, you were cute. Let me try to set the angle right. Time to go get our lashes done. Right.
And I'm not supposed to wear makeup, right?
I don't have on any.
I have eyebrow stuff on, but
I was going to, but I just was with the kids and
I
shit.
have hair color all over my
I had to smash in recent searches. Let me see if it's in.
Isn't it nice now that he's back?
Yes.
You guys are so cute together. See, he was cool.
Wednesday to go get this shit, but I am just starving now and I'm already on the road. I'm like, why not just get it today?
Right. I need to cook more. I used to bake stuff all the time, and then I told him that I love baking and stuff like that. And then, like, more, I feel like I can bake better than I can cook. And I hardly ever bake stuff now.
Yeah.
When we first started dating, I
It was baking
like,
them little
yeah,
cupcakes and shit on that
you
sweet
already
shit.
know it. Yep.
That's what got him hooked. He was like, oh my god, she bakes and stuff. She come over, she bakes.
She'll bake.
Shit.
It's hilarious. Now he's
Where
like,
y'all from?
Me, I'm Jamaican.
Where's your husband from?
He's from New York.
Yeah, that's exactly how he sound.
Yeah.
oh yeah.
Yeah, he's from New York. And I'm Jamaican. But I lived in Florida for a little bit.
I feel like this is a good
Dang, who is she? Who is she though? Yo,
I was born this way.
right? I was born this way. See, that's the thing with classics though. Like, they can pass for just being your
I
lashes.
like it. Does it look really look
It
good?
does
I
look
think-
so
I feel,
good.
I feel cool.
Oh my
I
god!
have, like, a lot
And then
of
you have the
mascara
dark hair. Look at you.
I love it.
Hey, I love it.
I love them.
Flamboyant lashes, y'all. I'm gonna put her Instagram up on the page.
gotta do my
I got to
makeup.
show y'all mine too. With all the excitement. Shit, now I gotta get this raggedy thing off my head because my hair got wet in the pool yesterday. It looks crazy, but yep.
3 times, and here we go. Moving right.
Could I borrow a couple of these? And now, with the addition of 2,
Nah, man.
marshmallows.
I don't know.
No, because you stopped it earlier. You
I
stopped
didn't
it?
stop nothing earlier.
So why did it stop? I left it play in the playlist.
I want to touch the laptop.
I'm coming back thinking that shit gonna be done, that playlist, and then I could just do the last one.
I didn't touch your laptop.
It's cool.
You got the ginger ale? No.
Don't worry, love. I still gotta go to the bank. I came back so we could eat.
Been out all day.
I have not.
Been out for 4
You
hours.
only watch the time when I'm out. Like, as soon as I walk out the door, the stopwatch starts.
I only watch the time
When I'm out.
Babe, so you don't watch the time when I'm out? I'm at work.
Love, I don't. Because I had to go somewhere. Okay. Anyways, y'all, we got some takeout. So we got some hibachi.
I'm not